everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. Today I'm going to show you how to make TikTok videos. Before starting, if you are watching us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and press the bell icon so that you get instant notifications whenever we post a new video. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure you have a TikTok app installed in your device. If not, go to your Play Store and search for the app. For your Android, visit your Play Store, and for your iOS, visit your App Store. Download the app on your device, and then after installation is complete, go to your TikTok app, click it open. If you don't have an account, create one first. If you already have it, let's proceed further. To log into your TikTok, find the Me icon on the bottom right corner and tap on it. Tap on the sign up button, and you can log in using your phone number or your username and password as well. After you are logged in, you'll see your TikTok timeline. Here, you'll see posts from popular creators and the people you follow. To follow people, tap on the Discover icon. Here, you can search for your friends and many other creators. Typing their username, you can search for them or other people to follow by checking out the hashtags over here. To follow them, go to their profile. And you can follow them by clicking on the follow button like this. To create your first TikTok post, go to your timeline and tap on the plus sign on the bottom of your screen. Now select a sound for your post by tapping on sound on the top of your screen. Now look through the TikTok sounds library and pick any sound you want to make a video on. Tap on the sound you'd want to choose and tap on the tick mark. If you want to adjust the point of the music that starts playing, tap on trim. Now slide the sound track to adjust where you want your sound to begin or which part you'd want to use in your video. Tap the check mark after you are done. Now you can choose the speed you want your video to play on when it's done. This will affect on how fast or slow the audio plays when you record your video. You can choose to flip your camera front or back by clicking on flip icon on the top right. Now if you want to add any effects on your video, there are multiple choices you can go on with. Just tap on the effect on the bottom left corner. Choose any filters you like. Choose any effects you like. Record a video, tap on the red circle, and your video is being recorded right now. If you want to stop recording, tap this red circle again. It will pause your video. After you are done recording, tap on a small check sign on the bottom right corner. And you've recorded a video. You can adjust filters by swiping left or right on your screen. After you are satisfied with your video you just created, tap on next. You can even describe your video, enter hashtags by clicking on the hashtag button, and you can even select hashtags like this. You can tag your friends by typing their name here, selecting their name. Now you can choose the viewers for your video. Tap on this one here and choose if you want to share it with public, only your friends, or only for you, which is private. You can choose whether you like people to comment on your video or not. If you don't want to do that, then leave it like this. If you want people to comment, then click the button there. You can choose this option here, which will allow people to create duet with you and react to your video, or you can simply save it to your device by turning off all of those. The choice is yours. To post a video, simply tap on the post button, or if you want to just save it in your draft and post it later, tap on drafts. Well, that is how you create a TikTok video. I hope you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you again. Thank you for watching.